After spending some time in Costa Rica exploring our land and planning our dream house, we've made it to California. Our family is going to be spending the next month traveling up the coast of California and into Oregon, stopping at some amazing sites along the way. And our first stop really surprised us. I'm in Santa Barbara, California at a campground called Ocean Mesa. Now you can set up tents here or you can bring your trailer. Now this weekend is a very special weekend because it is full of vintage trailers. This is a very elite gathering of individuals. It's a waiting list to be invited to come here. Our Airstream isn't even here right now, but we're on the waiting list and hopefully we can come next year. People are taking this really seriously. What are your names?
Susie and Rich.
Susie and Rich. No.
Susie and Rich. and this is
Gracie.
This is Gracie.
Gracie,
She's
1963. Yes.
I love that you were color coordinating.
Well, this is from our
With
kids.
Gracie.
Our kids did that.
Our kids did this for Christmas, and it was very thoughtful.
They planned, they decorated, they color coordinated, they matched their car to their vintage trailer, and they are just having a blast. Everyone's outside, there's music playing, there's even goldfish races, I heard from someone. They're racing goldfish down a little path or something. There's Airstreams, there's teardrop trailers, there's converted buses, there's Westphalias. Is that a goat? What? But the main thing to do is to just walk around and admire all these amazing vintage trailers. So what year is this?
1967. It's the last year of the split window in the front, and it's the first year of the 12 volt. And it's a walkthrough. Normally a lot of the buses are just a bench seat all the way across. This one is a 2 bucket seats and it walks through. So if you're driving and you say, honey, I need a Diet Coke, she can walk through, open this up, and this is a ice box. You can grab something. Every single inch of this bus has been rebuilt, refinished, restored. Everything. Every part you look at is brand new.
Wow, this thing must have been in a garage or somewhere like protected.
It
like,
was.
right? Yeah.
It was. We found it in El Cajon. He'd owned it for 12 years. And he'd work on it every year. He'd put a little something, do a little something. We got a fantastic deal. It's hard to find one like this.
Absolutely.
You know, we wanted to listen to CDs, and so
Yes.
we had one with AM, FM, and a CD put in, and he put the speakers right there, which you don't even see. This is how Ferrari does their speakers. Is they put
like
it
that.
inside and they drill holes
wow.
in the panel.
There's something about vintage trailers that just make people happy. They're like vintage cars. That's an outfit. How long have you two been together?
2 years.
About 2 years. We're both widowers. We knew each other, and so
Life takes another dimension,
Absolutely, but
Who knew?
you know what? You have fun.
7 years old. Who knew that I would have a man like this in my life?
so
It's beautiful.
It is
the first
beautiful.
Time around, we were both raising kids and everything like that. This time we're having fun.
If you've ever seen the movie Now and Then, which I hope you have because it's one of the best movies ever, that is like the vibe I'm getting here. You know, that era, with all the retro trailers everywhere. Not just trailers, but also camper vans and buses. Every single one of them is so unique. And that's what makes it so fun, this environment. All of the people we've met have been so friendly, which is not out of the ordinary when it comes to the RV world, the RV community. Everyone just is really nice, really friendly, and wants to be your friend, which is what I really like about it.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
You can come in.
Yeah? Okay. Oh my God.
Over here it's a little side there, and then the ice box is over here. Which we ran out of ice, but it just has all that.
This is so
And this is a 4-burner stove with a condiment side over here.
wow. You just lift it up. That's cool. Wow. Did you renovate it?
We had it done because
Wow.
we got it. It was really bad condition. It
Yeah.
was like they had to lift the whole body off.
That's exactly what we had to do there at Stream too.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, a lot of work, but man, this is
The
beautiful.
flight camp did this up in Bend, Oregon. The vents that open.
Oh wow.
So,
Nice, and it just opens all of them.
yeah, it opens all at one time.
And so does this convert into?
This goes into a bed. You can sleep over here, and then the back part back there.
goes into a bed as well.
How long have you guys been coming here?
This is our 4th year.
Yeah, usually we have a theme. Everyone's in character. A couple years ago it was MASH, so everybody had all their fun toys, all their vintage, military vehicles. He's a combat veteran. He was so in his element. He was just like in his gear, walking around. Yeah, and then after that it was Woodstock. We actually had a doobie rolling competition that year.
I think I'd win.
I brought my sister
maybe a
up,
third,
and she's
second.
pretty seasoned in it, so
Oh, okay.
she did a good job. They actually were like, you did a good job, you have to help judge the competition. It's a lot of fun.
It's so much fun. That's what, like, the energy of this place is just radiating.
We don't all know each other personally, but we all have this in common, so we all are just kind of friends. We leave everything else aside. It's just a good time.
Yeah.
And we love our vintage travel trailers, and no matter if your trailer's done, halfway done, you just got it and it's a mess, everyone is like, it's great, and they'll help you, they'll give you advice on
Absolutely.
how to fix it up, or no one's judging you.
Yeah.
First year we're like, but we just got it and it's a mess, and they're like, we don't care, just show up,
Just show up.
and we'll help you figure out how to get it fixed up.
We've just been traveling by ourselves in our Airstream and haven't been a part of any community element of it yet. And this is it.
We have a whole community.
When we first bought our Airstream, I knew that things like this existed and happened where people would get together with other vintage trailers, and I had just never been a part of one. But seeing it now, I definitely want to join up. I need to get in contact with these people and figure out how we can be here next year.
Okay, so one of the best parts about this place is there are goats, baby goats too, and alpacas. Is that not the best part about this place?
Yeah.
Let's go see them.